Have you ever thought if AI can make you rich in Forex? I did too, but I ended up losing more than 50% of my investment in just 1 hour. And that's not even the full story. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you guys are new here, I am Kyle, a stay-at-home mom, and I'm currently on a mission to achieve financial freedom. So that's what this channel talks about, and if it's something that you are interested in, then hit that subscribe button and follow my journey along. So this whole thing started when I was scrolling through TikTok. There were many people who claimed that this particular AI has actually helped them to earn thousands of dollars through Forex trading, and that the steps are super easy and you just have to follow what the AI is suggesting. So naturally, I did get curious, even though there were some mixed reviews about this particular platform. So I decided to give it a try and I purchased this product. So how it works is the Manara AI platform will give you the currencies that you should be buying or selling at the current time. And on top of that, it will also tell you what is the exact amount that you're supposed to put in for your stop loss and your take profit. So it's as simple as that. The people in the TikTok videos just showed that they just copy it from what the AI is saying to their trading app, and once they're done, they just put their phone aside and they carry on with their normal life, which is a bit out of the norm for day trading, because day trading people usually just stare at the chart trying to find the entry and exit point. So that really made me curious to find out if this is really going to work. So I decided to give it a try. I started with a US $500 account, and my first few trades were actually indeed successful and I started seeing some profit. But initially, since I'm new to Forex trading, I only used the 0.01 lots to play safe. So when things were starting to look good, I thought, okay, why not just increase my lot size? So I decided to increase it up to 0.1 lot size, and that's when things went down south. I lost $383, which is more than 50% of my investment amount within an hour. That really hit hard. It was super painful to see that happening. When I saw the market going the other direction, away from what the AI actually expected, I did not intervene to stop my losses. Instead, I trusted the AI and I just let the day go by, only to see the currency hit the stop loss. In the first place, your stop loss shouldn't even be so far away from your entry point, because that would increase your risk. And that is something I only found out after doing my own research, after losing more than 50% of my investment. So the next day, I went to do some fact check and see whatever that Manara AI was recommending. I went to read articles and news to compare and see whether I should even be trading on these currencies. Some recommendations were aligned, but there were some that were misaligned. As a newbie with no experience in Forex trading, I can't leverage on an AI. So I decided to completely stop using Manara AI and to go and do my own research instead. So I took matters into my own hands. I studied day trading Forex for about a few weeks to month, and then I traded with paper money, and subsequently I entered the market again. So I decided to use trend trading as a form of strategy to do my day trading with Forex. So if you guys are not familiar with trend trading, basically you look at a larger time frame before you decide on the entry point for your smaller time frame. So for example, I was trading on the 15-minute mark. So I will look at the 4-hour chart to see what is the general market trend, whether it's going upwards or downwards. And once I've established the trend, then I will scale down to the 15 minutes chart and I will only enter or exit based on the trend that has been set in the 4-hour time frame. And through my research, I also found out that I need to have a 1:3 risk-reward ratio, where I risk 1% of my investment balance and I will take 3% of profit. So within 2 weeks, I actually increased my balance by 117%. So things were going really fine, but here's where it all went down south again. So for this particular trade, I was expecting the currency to go up, but the currency was actually coming down and it was reaching very close to my stop loss. So what I did was to actually move the stop loss further down instead of just accepting the loss. I was doing that in the hopes that the market would reverse, and not only did I do that, I actually ended up even buying more currencies when the market was going in the reverse trend from what I had predicted, because I thought by doing that I can actually make up for the loss from my first trade, and that if the market actually bounced back, then I can actually recover some of my losses. But instead, everything actually went downhill really fast. At the moment, what I didn't realize was that I was actually acting on my emotion rather than my analytical mind. I was trying to chase the loss rather than sticking to my strategy, which is why things went down south. But by the time I realized what was actually happening, my account was completely exhausted. And so was I. I was constantly monitoring the market, endlessly just looking at the chart. It really took a toll on me. When I finally exhausted my account, that's when I told myself that day trading is definitely not for me. It's not just about understanding the charts, it's also about handling your roller coaster of emotions that's going to come in when you see the charts moving away from what you had predicted it to be. And as someone new to Forex, I just wasn't ready for it at all. So upon reflecting, I actually figured that I am better at doing medium to long-term investment rather than short-term such as day trading. Because I rather take a time to monitor the market for a few days, weeks or even months, research about the company and then make informed decision to enter the market and invest in a particular company. Day trading with all its ups and downs, being current with what's happening in the world, it's really too stressful and it's definitely not suitable for a mom's life. And that's my story. So Forex trading can be rewarding. That period of time when I was actually making money, I was really very happy. But it's definitely not easy, and I really think it's not for everyone as well. If you want to consider leveraging AI or even consider Forex trading, you can do so. Do a lot of research, know what you're doing, and take note that it actually involves a lot of time and effort to do the trading. It's really about managing your time, your emotions, and the risk that you're taking. So if this video resonated with you, or if you have any similar experience trading in Forex, then do leave your experience in the comment section below. I would love to read them. If you have found this video helpful, do like and subscribe to my channel for more honest experience on me trying out on the different side hustles to achieve my financial freedom. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.